Hi there. Today we're going to be going over how to browse classes in HomerConnect. First, log into HomerConnect. On the left side of the screen, click on Registration and Planning. Then select Browse Classes. Select the term you are registering for from the drop-down menu. Once the search box comes up, you have a few different options. You can search for a class in a particular area of study by inputting the course subject code or just typing the subject name into the search bar. As an example, I am inputting television radio. Course subject codes can be found on the Ithaca College course catalog. Press search and all available classes during the selected term will come up. This search page can be a lot to look at. Click the settings icon on the right side of the page to choose which fields of information display on the page. Another way to look for classes is by searching by course number in addition to the subject code of the class. Click on the title of the class to view more information about the class. The pop-up window will display the class information including meeting time, meeting place, credit hours, CRN or course registration number, enrollment and waitlist information, prerequisites, restrictions, attributes, and other important information. There are also advanced search options. To go back to the main search page, click Search Again at the top right of the page. Click Advanced Search. This allows you to be even more specific with your search criteria and can help filter through the large number of classes offered. Of all these options, some of the most helpful features are attribute, block, credits, days, and times. Type in the attribute you'd like to search for. In this example, I am searching for ICC Creative Arts, Quantitative Literacy, and Writing Intensive. There are many attributes you can search by. Next, you can search for only first or second half semester courses or full semester courses. You can search for courses that are a certain number of credits. For example, if you are looking for a course that is 2 or less credits, put in a 0 in the first box and a 2 in the second box. This will tell HomerConnect to only display courses that are 0, 1, or 2 credits. If you are looking for a class that meets on a specific day, use the boxes to the side of each day to select the specific days you are looking to add a class on. If you have a specific time in mind, you can input it using the drop-down menus by start time and end time. Be sure to pick AM or PM. If you really don't know what class you want to take and are looking for something that is open, scroll to the bottom of the Advanced Search feature. Select the box next to Open Sections Only. Selecting this box will allow you to see only classes that have open or waitlist seats available. Full classes with no waitlist seats will be hidden. Select Search when you have determined your search criteria. There are many ways to use the Advanced Search feature. This tutorial shows how to find classes that are offered in a given term. If you are not sure what classes will apply to degree completion, check out our videos on DegreeWorks, your degree audit tool that outlines your path to graduation. If you have any questions, please contact the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ithaca.edu or 607-274-3127.